Hey, what's up, traders? Thanks for watching my channel. I hope you get tons of value from my content, and we are running a contest every month to pick a winner for free full access to my academy, my trading group, my signal group, and a free phone call with me to figure out how I can help you in your own trading. So like, comment, and subscribe on as many videos as you can this month, and we'll pick a winner from the people that do randomly, and hopefully it'll be you, and hopefully I see you in my VIP group one day. So thanks for your support. Let's crush the markets. Peace. Hey, what's up, everybody? It is April 21st, 2020, and this is the gold and silver report. And I got to say, I'm pretty happy about what's going on in the gold and silver markets. And you might think that's weird because they've been selling off. But if you saw my video on, I guess it was Monday, I talked about, man, I really hope that we get a move lower to create a new buying opportunity for gold and silver. So let's take a look at the charts right away and get right into it here. And some big news also happened today with the Fed and the U.S. government bailing out, passing a bill for another, I think, like $400 billion of stimulus money, which is only going to create a weaker dollar long term, which is very, very good for the strength of metals. That's for sure. So we're taking a look at gold here, and man, I gotta say it's been holding up pretty well. We got a bit of a bounce today after that news that I just talked about, and we're retesting this resistance where there's a moving average coming in as well. So I would like to see a move, some sort of move above, and then maybe a retest. But if you've been following me for a while, and if you're in my training, I talk about some people see the market in diagonal and some people see in horizontal, and I definitely see more diagonal than anything, that's for sure. But I'm starting to look at it in terms of more horizontal views. But this is what I'm going to be looking for to trade the breakout, because once we do break out of here, I think we're going to make another run back at 1750 and to make some new highs here. But we gotta break out of this little area here. But it's good. I like it a lot. Before we had this little, I didn't really know what to do with it too much before we had this little consolidation here. But once we get a setup like this, that is a sign for more direction. So what I'm going to be watching at home, if you all want to screenshot this or replay this video, is going to be looking for a breakout here before we get another move higher. So, but gold is looking good, and I think long term, it's healthy that we get a nice corrective move to the downside, and long term, this is where I believe we're going, 1920, to retest these same highs. So, but we're a little bit of a ways away from there. But the way metals have been moving, it probably won't take much time once we really start to get some momentum. So let's take a look at silver, $14.85, and this is even more of a significant move to the downside. Had a bit of a reversal here, or rejection, but this is really good in my opinion, because we're retesting this zone, or even if you wanted to been utilizing boxes a lot more to really signify the zone. And we had a nice retest here. So this 1612 that I have marked off, and I actually have another horizontal line here, and so maybe we can get a breakout above this, and then a retest before we move higher. But if we go out to our weekly chart, this is where I still believe we're heading here, because we're still above this false breakout, or breakdown rather. So we're still trading above here, and as long as we're above here, I'm definitely buying dips, buying significant dips, and that's what we got on our hands here. You can see, actually, it's good to zoom out sometimes to the macro scales and weekly charts, and you can see how, you know, all the buying pressure that happened from this wick. So we hit this zone here, break up, and you know, it is more or less a retest of this zone. So now we can take a look at it, what it looks like on the daily chart. Long wick, followed by a candle. And then once we get to the 4 hours, we start to see more. So what I would love to see is potentially a retest. I don't know if it'll happen or not. I move lower to retest this area, and then we move higher, or, you know, given the news that, you know, recently happened, the more funding that's going to be happening to the economy, maybe we just start, that's the dip we get, and then we start heading higher from here, and to retest this 61.8, which is $16.12. So, and just so you know, this is how I got that target, which I've gone over it in many previous videos. But for anybody that's new, this is my upside target. Look at this 61.8 Fibonacci level here. So that's a good ways off for silver. So if we can get a good entry and manage a good hold there, I think this is going to be a really good play on the metals. So silver's a little more clear, and gold's already broken out much higher. So I think long-term silver could be more or less the sleeping giant. I was talking to Mariano from the group. Shout out to you if you watch this video, and we were talking about this exact same conversation, is that silver has a lot of catching up to do in terms of room to run higher with gold. So it's going to be interesting to see how it pans out. And if you want to trade that live with me, click the links below to get started. Be a part of our amazing community of traders. It's the best community out there for sure. And learn my trading strategies. I break everything down in the simplest way possible. And it's the only trading group you'll ever need. So if you want to be a part of that, click the links below to get started. And let's finish the week strong, everybody. Peace. I'll see you in the VIP chat room. Adios.